Alright guys, so me and Braylon are heading to a trout spot right now where we went a couple days ago. Hold on, I need to fix my hair, bro. Alright, anyway, so we are heading to the spot right now. We gotta walk down this big hill. But it's a secret spot. I don't really want to tell you guys, but it's in Newcastle, PA. Anyways, guys, we're walking down to the creek right now, down this hill. Got my Yampa River, so walking down here, and hopefully we catch some trout today, so you guys stay tuned. He said right under a waterfall, big spoons. And he said there was a ginormous palomino down there. If we catch a palomino today, dude, I haven't caught one in so long, I'm gonna freak out.
I just want to catch one palomino. I think they're literally so pretty.
Yeah, I know. Well, they're definitely the coolest. Well, actually, I don't know. I kind of like brown trout or brook trout. They're the prettiest, I feel like. Bro. I mean, I actually have a good possibility of catching one like that.
I'm like scared that it's not accurate. That's the problem.
Oh. I feel like I just got hit right here.
Alright, how should I do this? Should I pull this up and just press?
There you go. Oh. Told you I got one.
Cody, should I pull this up or?
Hold on. Oh, we crossed. That's fine.
Did we?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's fine. There you go.
So inaccurate.
Yeah, when I casted yours, I for sure got hit, so just reel it slow.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I know, I'm slow. No, I'm not like that.
Here, wait, let me see. Yeah.
Alright, well, I just got stuck. Yep.
Yeah. Got one. So hard to keep them out of the rocks when they're this close. Yeah, I got that one. Huh? Oh, thanks. Oh, shoot. Okay, relax. Relax. This one's beat up like the last one I caught.
Really?
Ooh. Yeah. Jeez. Got one. I don't know where to take them. It's a decent one. It's actually a pretty nice one. Oh. Wow, that's a pretty one, dude. Rainbow. There is.
Huh?
There is, I think. People usually go down to it, but I don't know how. Cody, I think, just walked like how we are. Here, let's try right here real quick.
You never started the last time I got the bag? Yeah.
Yeah, I also had one out there, remember?
I don't want to get snagged. Well, I should get snagged.
Oh. Did you see that? I told you I got bit. Did you see that flash earlier before that?
No.
Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait, is that a brown? Might be a brown. Hold on. What is that? That might be a rainbow, huh?
Yeah, it's a rainbow.
Oh, doesn't it kind of look a little like brown though?
Yeah, but you gotta look at its stripes.
Yeah, I know. But it looked like a brown at first.
It's a small rainbow.
Yeah. Never
Should I
mind.
cast it?
I got so excited. Huh?
Should I cast it? Huh?
Yeah, probably. Just make sure you reel it decently fast so it doesn't get snagged.
Actually, I'll just wait because I don't want to. I'll wait because this is. You always know, and I guess. I don't.
Well,
think-
my hair looks weird.
Oh my god. It looks ridiculous. Kind of look weird.
It did?
Yeah.
Or does it right now?
Yeah. No, it's not fair. Here. Doesn't actually look like anyone does. Wait. That's drawing one. No, it doesn't look like anyone doing it.
Yeah, I look bad in that picture, but it's fine. I got these, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, those are good pictures.
Yeah. Oh, got one. Oh, I lost it. No. Oh, that time I did.
Huh?
That time I did.
Oh.
But when I was out there, I was way out there.
Wait, right there you did? That's what I
Right there. Like out there I did. And then I got right there, but that was just you that time.
If that was a fucking trout, that one would have been a big.
There we go. There we go. Yeah. Finally.
Huh?
Finally.